In this video, you'll learn how to create a free restaurant website using WordPress and Elementor. By following these steps, you will have a functional website that showcases your restaurant offerings to potential customers. Begin by navigating to WordPress.com. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser. Once the site loads, look for the option labeled Sites in the main navigation menu. This is where you will create your new website. Next, find and click on the button that says Create with AI. This option will initiate the process of setting up your restaurant website with the assistance of artificial intelligence. After clicking, you may see a loading indicator as the system prepares to assist you. Once this appears, you will receive a message indicating that the foundations for your site are being laid. This confirmation signifies that the setup process has started and you should wait for the next steps to load. After that, you will need to wait for the AI to finish loading. This process may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. If you have a slower connection, be patient as the system generates your website. When the AI is ready, a message will prompt you to create a website that is unique to you. At this point, type in the phrase, "Create a free restaurant website" in the designated field. This input helps the AI understand the nature of your business. Click on the Enter key to submit your input. This action will allow the system to process your request and move to the next step in the setup process. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your input has been received. The next prompt will inform you that WordPress.com can create a free restaurant website based on your request. At this stage, type in the option that appears above, which will help refine the website creation process. After typing your selection, press Enter again. This will confirm your choice and guide you further in the setup process, leading to the next stage of website customization. You will then be asked what you would like your website to be called, which is the title displayed in the browser tab. Enter the name that represents your restaurant and click Enter to proceed. At this point, type the name of your site into the provided field. This name should be memorable and relevant to your restaurant's theme. Once entered, press Enter to confirm your choice. Next, you will see a prompt requesting a short tagline or description that will show in search results and social previews. This tagline should succinctly convey what your restaurant offers. Type in your desired tagline and click Enter to finalize this step. This tagline will help attract potential customers when they find your site through search engines or social media. You will then be prompted to click on the button labeled Create My Site. This action will initiate the final creation process of your restaurant website. Make sure all previous entries are correct before proceeding. After clicking, you may receive a message saying, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that the system is now actively creating your website based on the information you provided. Wait for the system to generate your site. This may take some time, especially if the server is busy or if your internet connection is slow. Keep an eye on the progress indicator. As the process continues, you may see notifications indicating that the generation is ongoing. This stage can take a while, so be patient as the system works to complete your website setup. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.